What up, fam? This is Vyck from Dumpster Gentleman here in Conyers, Georgia. And just know, one man's trash is another man's cash. All right, today I have 5 pickups on the books. I'm gonna take care of that. I got these 2 dumpsters right here need to empty out because we left it. And I got 1 on the truck I need to empty out. So that's 8 times I gotta go to the transfer station. Now, like I said, you can look onto the yard. Man, we had 28 dumpsters out here. 28. And they're gone. So we bring...
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I'm really loving this hook truck, especially today, because I did something really silly for a person who has a bad back. I went bowling yesterday with some friends, and I bowled like 2.5 games, and my back is really sore this morning. I got a doggone back brace on. I got to get in and out of this truck. But one of the things I'm really happy about, that I don't have to get in and out a whole bunch of times, because that truck and trailer probably would have took me out today. In addition, bending over to having to put the cable in on that mug. Whew, so I'm really excited today. I only have to get out the truck to check on the dumpster, and that's pretty much it. Making sure that the chain is on there, and when I get to the dump site, I gotta make sure the door is open. So it's not as bad as it would have been if I had to get out of this mug for every single thing if it ain't lined up perfectly. So
Perfect.
So I had a customer give me a call, remind me that the dumpster need to be picked up today. And as always, if I can't pick it up, they'll ask would I charge them extra money. I'm like, no way I'll charge you extra, because I'm the one not picking it up. Now, that's why it's important that you always do your drop-offs first, because you can always delay pickups. Only way I'll do a drop-off or pick up first if I know that, let's just say the place I'm going to is over there by the landfill. I gotta clear it out anyway. I'll do that. But typically, all of my drops off done first before I pick up anything. All right, fam. As you can see right here, it's above the field line. You see that little thing right here? Look, all that can fly off the truck. That box can come off the truck. This is why this is important. That right there can come off the truck. Like, you put a tarp over it, but the tarp is not necessarily there to keep things from, weighing things down. It's there as a flight prevention measure, but this stuff is too far. So what I'm gonna do is lift it all the way up. Whatever stays on, I feel comfortable. Wherever comes off, it just come off. And I don't like to do people like that, but it does say, don't feel above the line. As you can see, fam, look at that. That fell off. And that lazy boy that was put on the top came off. Imagine I'm going down the highway, that thing come off on me. This is the reason why we say don't overfill the dumpster. If you like this video, you definitely like this video. Go ahead and click on it.